Hey guys, grade 8s, this is NSN 9.5, multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Let's get right to it. Just a little review. When you've got positive and negative integers, whether you are multiplying or you are dividing, in either way, this little table will help you remember what the final sign will be. So if the signs are the same, it's going to be positive. If the signs are different, it will be negative. Let's see how this works. A positive times or divided by another positive will end up with a positive because the signs of both integers are the same. The same goes for if you take a negative integer and you either multiply or divide by another negative integer, the final sign, because the two integers are the same sign, it will be a positive in the end. Conversely, if you're looking at signs that are different, so let's take a look, I'll do it in red. We've got a positive that is being multiplied or divided by a negative. Because the signs are different, the final sign for the integer, the answer, will be a negative. Same thing, if you start with a negative and you multiply or divide by a positive, the signs are different, it's going to be a negative. Let's try this one together. Taking a look right up here in the top left-hand corner, we have a negative 3 times 5, and the answer is going to go right in here. Thing is, we don't see a sign right there for the 5. But you guys remember that when there's no sign, we have to make the assumption that it is a positive. So this is a negative times a positive. This is a negative times a positive. The signs are different, so we know the final outcome will have to be a negative. So we can start off right away just putting the sign. So you go equals negative. And then you see your times tables. 3 times 5 is 15. So right here is going to be negative 15. Let's take a look at this one right here for division. And when you do the division, always start with the number in the column. And you're going to be dividing by the numbers in the rows. For example, it's negative 24 divided by 3, and the quotient will go right here. Then it's 144 divided by 3, and the quotient goes right there, and so on. So let's look at negative 24 divided by 3. The signs, are they the same or different? Again, we don't see a sign for this one, so we have to make that assumption that it is, in fact, a positive. So it's a negative divided by a positive. The signs are different, therefore, the answer has to be a negative. And then again, multiplication tables, 24 divided by 3 is just 8. So negative 24 divided by positive 3 is negative 8. So try those ones. Have fun.